The Bebird Earsight Plus D39R is a sophisticated ear cleaning tool that uses a flexible silicone tube lens and precision optics to provide a detailed view of the ear canal. This earwax removal kit includes 4 types of tips designed to tackle both wet and dry earwax, ensuring a safe and effective cleaning experience for users of all ages. Equipped with painless tweezers, this device gently removes stubborn earwax while minimizing contact with sensitive ear canal walls. The addition of 3-piece inspection tools allows for comprehensive ENT checks, making it suitable for use on adults, children, and even pets. With the Bebird Earsight Plus D39R, users can monitor their ear health at home and share visuals with healthcare professionals, potentially reducing the need for in-person consultations. Its multifunctional design, combined with elegant aesthetics, makes it a practical and thoughtful gift for families, offering a user-friendly solution to ear care.